like Madeline.
Get another.
Do you want the same thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
And the Madeleines as well.
Oh, you want Madeleines of your own?
Yeah.
Or you want to share these?
Oh, you want to share?
I don't care if you want to share them or no.
Let's share.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're here at Starbucks. I was about to say Taco Bell.
What?
We're here at Starbucks. We just ate Chipotle, and it was really okay. I was about to say it was really good. Last time it was really good.
Really good?
It was okay. Well, mine was okay.
Okay.
It was mid.
Okay, I ain't gonna lie.
As Jen Worthy said, it was mid. But yeah, so, and then now we're just getting a coffee because I love coffee after I eat. I'm getting the, what is that called? The pecan latte, the pecan oat milk latte. And I'm getting the warm one. It's so good. And then I'm just getting the same thing. And then, because this week we're going to be very strict, so today's the last day for us to be unstrict.
I mean, but
We're not wilding, but
well, I mean, because the Chipotle is not bad.
yeah, no, not at all. I had 2 tacos, 2 barbacoa tacos, and we shared chips. So yeah, but yeah, so we are here chilling at Starbucks, and yeah, we're gonna show you guys what we get.
So guys, we're gonna go to the gym tonight, and then we're going to, oh no, first we're gonna go to Target, then we're gonna go to the gym, and then we'll go home and just kind of like chill. I think Kim, you have to finish up on something, right?
Yeah.
Amazon stuff?
Yeah.
She has to finish up on her Amazon stuff. And then I'm gonna finish up on a couple of things. I'm gonna send out an email, and then I'm gonna finish this, finish the vlog before this. Yeah, so, and then I'm gonna get started on the other things for Vlogtober as well. I just wanna keep saying Vlogmas, but for Vlogtober as well. So we're really excited, y'all. And we really wanna kinda do like a lot of like fall inspired like vlogs for this month, because that's what Vlogmas is about. And so we're getting our coffees. Even our coffees tonight are, they are like what, fall inspired?
Yeah, they're their fall drinks. I'm glad they don't have like that pumpkin stuff. I'm not.
Oh yeah.
I think they might. I mean, I don't know if they're gonna come out with it, but like they usually have it out by now, and I'm glad they don't, because I'm not a pumpkin person.
Yeah, I told y'all we're not pumpkin people.
I'll do pecan, but not pumpkin.
We do have the candle. It's the pumpkin apple one from Bath and Body Works, and it smells really good. It smells really good.
Oh, our drinks are up.
Yay!
So good.
Is it your first time having this?
No, second time.
The second time?
But you know, sometimes they're not the same. Like everybody doesn't make them the same. They don't make any drink the same. So.
Does it taste good though?
Good.
Okay.
It's really good. I like this. Have you had it before?
I don't think so. Is it super hot?
No, not to me.
That's good. That's really good. Nice and creamy. Nice and warm too. What's it called? Pecan
oat milk latte.
So the pecan oat milk latte. That's really good. It's really good.
Now, which one of these is aluminum free? The Dove. I'm looking at these.
And it usually says it on there.
I think they have the cucumber one
In the aluminum?
I may have to look online.
No, but I didn't have it in like any of these other scents. It was.
I saw I think it was a dermatologist. She had it in her hand talking about it.
Well, maybe they have upgraded to other scents or something, but it just smells like metal. It smells like metal.
I'm gonna have to look that up online.
Is this not invisible?
They don't even have clear packaging. Like,
Here, bro.
on their packaging. Clinical protection was that one. You think this would be cute?
Yeah, that's cute.
Pumpkin though, but I really want to go look at those ones at Ballard.
Yeah, I do want. Wait, what's Ballard?
That's the what is that called?
The furniture store.
Yeah, thank you. My word.
Where that guy was at? Where that guy was at?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we are just finishing our workout and we're about to head home. And I think, Kim, what are you doing? You're gonna work on
I
your...
have to do some more videos, my last few videos, and edit them, and then get ready for Instagram content.
Okay, right. So she has to get ready for Instagram content. And then I'm gonna go home, work on the email that I was supposed to be working on. And then we have a couple of other things too that we'll be doing for this week. So this is a busy week for us. And this is the first week of Vlogtober.
I believe it's October.
Yeah, October is already here. But I'm sure you guys have probably already seen our first vlog for Vlogtober, which was yesterday. And so we're really excited, y'all. Thank y'all so much for coming on this journey with us. And we hope y'all enjoy. Again, like, we just want to really show you guys like all of what we do for fall this whole month, and all of the ventures that will continue to go on that we usually do, but they'll all be like fall related and things like that. So
yeah. Hopefully we can find the hopefully we can go to the pasta making class that we went to last year, but to their 102. So stay tuned for that. If we can catch one, then we'll be there.
Yeah, so the first one that we did it for her birthday last year, and it was really fun. We had 3 of our friends with us, but this time it'll be just the 2 of us, but still it's gonna be just as fun. And then like she said, this is the 102, so yeah, we'll be making ravioli. So yeah, hopefully we can get booked for that, because they have to have a class, so hopefully they'll have one. Yeah, so either way, if they don't, we'll do it next month or sometime soon.
Yeah.
So yeah, but y'all, thank you so much for watching our vlogs, for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for all of the encouragement. Thank you guys so much for just every purchase. Like, if you're new to our channel and you're just finding out about Jolie Noire, go and shop with us. Go and search and find out about us and who we are, what we do, all those things. And yeah, or you can ask questions. You know what, we need to do a frequently asked questions, or like not frequently asked questions, but what is it? Question and answer. Yeah, Q&A, so that you guys who don't know us, you can find out a lot more about it. So, all right. Love y'all.